In the bustling streets of the city, there walked a soul, balancing books and duties, striving to reach her goal. A student by day, an officer by night. Her journey filled with challenges. Her path not always bright. With each step she took, she embraced the unknown. Risking it all, seeds of courage she had sown. But weariness crept in. Her spirit burned and frayed, lost amidst life's twist. Feeling dismayed. At sa paglipas ng mga araw, tila nawawala na ang liwanag. Pilit niyang inilalaban kahit pa ang bigat ng mga pasanin. Pagod na, hindi na alam kung saan patungo. At sa pag-ikot ng mundo, tila hindi na makahinga. Ngunit isang araw, sa gitna ng dilim, nagising ang diwa. Ang puso'y di natahimik. Ang dating sigla, bumalik ng marahan. Ang kagustuhang umahon, walang hanggan. With renewed fervor, she faced the dawn, determined to rise, to carry on. For in the depths of despair, she found her strength, a beacon of hope guiding her at length. Sa dulo ng kwento, isang lihim na aral, huwag kang susuko. Kahit pa sa laban ay mabawasan, ang pagod at hirap, tandaan mong temporary lang. Sa bawat pag-ahon, may bagong simula kang makakamtan. So let this tale be a reminder, a whisper in the wind, that amidst the chaos, a new chapter begins. Hold on to your dreams, no matter how tough the fight. For in the end, it's the rest you take that ignites your light.